friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review the Dukes Waffy vanilla flavor. So in our earlier videos we have already reviewed the two Waffy flavors, which is chocolate and strawberry, and today we are going to review the third flavor, which is Waffy vanilla flavor. So let's get down to the review of the product. Like all other Waffy flavors, this also comes in a plastic pouch. Packaging right here. There's a Dukes branding on top, the Waffy branding, and then the illustration of the Waffy biscuit here, wafer, and some vanilla cream shown around it. This is a vanilla flavored creamy and crunchy wafers with real vanilla extracts. Moving on to the sides, again we have the Dukes Waffy and vanilla flavored crunchy biscuits written, wafers written right here. Is the same thing around this side as well. Moving on, this is 75 grams pack, and the MRP is similar to the other Waffy wafers, which is rupees 45 for 75 grams. Coming to the shelf life of the product, the shelf life is 9 months from packaging, when stored in a cool and hygienic and dry place. Ingredients are similar, except there is vanilla cream here between the biscuit, between the wafers. Here they are mentioning the nutritional facts of the product, and here's the purity symbol. So guys, let's quickly go ahead and open the vanilla Waffy. So we are just opening it up, and like all other Waffy packets, this also has a cardboard box within it right here, and inside a cardboard box I'm expecting 2 packets of Waffy vanilla. So here is the Waffy vanilla wafers, 2 packets, and vanilla is written all over the packet like we saw in the others as well. So right now let's go ahead and open it and do a quick taste test of the vanilla flavor. So guys, this is a Waffy vanilla flavored wafer, and look at the crisp, so crisp and nice. It has 3 layers of biscuit and 2 layers of cream within it. So let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Waffy vanilla wafer. Really good. Good taste of vanilla. Strong taste. So I like the vanilla flavor right now from Waffy because it has one of the strongest taste of vanilla in it compared to the strawberry one, because I didn't like the strawberry flavored one because there was very little taste of strawberry. It was getting overpowered by the taste of wafer in it, but it's not the case with the vanilla flavor. The vanilla flavor has a strong vanilla flavor in it, and it really lingers in your mouth after you have it. So I definitely like the vanilla flavored ones. Among the 3 flavors that I tried of Waffy, I like the vanilla flavor the most because it has an amazing flavor to it, and it is nice and crispy as well. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.